If you shut up truth and bury it underground, it will but grow. It is error only and no truth that shrinks from inquiry. Clarity and consistency are not enough. The quest for truth requires humility and effort. Truth never damages a cause that is just. If truth is beauty, how come no one has their hair done in the library? I never gave anybody hell, just told the truth and they thought it was hell. I trust you. That is huge, that is truth, that is real love. Everyone uses I love you so loosely. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Hard time arose an instinctive desire for authenticity. Dear Internet, you are very good at spreading rumors. Truth is more valuable and much harder to come by. If there were only one truth, you could not paint 100 canvases on the same them. Truth is certainly a branch of morality and a very important one to society. If you ever injected truth into politics, you have no politics.